Hello, another house model here in Siria by Ovia Land, ang ating mansion twin duplex. Meron itong lot area na 88 square meter at floor area na 60 square meter. Upon turnover, katulad ng dalawang model house natin, complete finish na din ito with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So, yan, meron pa tayong yung door doon, access nyo para sa inyong parking. At ito naman ang ating service area or ang ating laundry area. Dito naman sa taas, same din po ang flooring natin, naka-vinyl tiles din siya. We have 3 bedrooms here and another common toilet and bath. Our first bedroom. Ang ating second bedroom at ang ating master's bedroom. Meron din tong mini balcony.